So what's up guys, today is part 3 of our boss battle game thingy. And these two are basically what we're going to do today. The player health displaying, because yeah, anything can look better than that, honestly. And then the laser, it's another attack pattern for the boss. And it's going to be pretty nice because right now the game isn't too hard and you can dodge the bullets easily enough. So let's go on with the hearts because it's not that hard. And then you have to create one variable, shooting laser, for this episode. I think that is the only thing you have to create for the episode right now. I'm pretty sure, yeah. So create that. We can use that later. Let's go to events, get a when green flag is clicked. Go to looks, get a hide. And then go to events, get a when I receive spawn boss right here. When I receive spawn boss, looks set, which is right here, set ghost effect to 100, and then show, go to control, get a repeat loop, repeat 20 times. We're going to change ghost effect by -4. So what this does is it makes it fade in, like these two glide in and then the hearts are going to fade in. So if we go, yeah, it fades in like that. There's a problem. It's not in the front layer. So what we're going to do is go to control, get a forever loop, go to looks, go to front layer. Now it's going to go to the front layer. And by the way, the costumes are 0 for nothing, 1 for 1 heart, 2 for 2 heart, 3, 4, 5. Every single one of them are centered in the screen. So it displays like that. So now what we're going to do is go to control, get an if else statement, if else operators less than player health is less than 1, then we're going to switch to costume 0, like that. And else we're going to switch costume to go to operators, going to add 1 to our player health. And then now what you're going to do is go to control, get an if statement, and then you can duplicate that. And then go to event, get a broadcast lose, which it isn't here. So we're going to create a new message, lose, and then we're going to wait 1 second and stop all, like that. So and then that is almost done. We need 2 more codes. Go to events, get a when I receive lose. We're going to, okay, I'm just going to duplicate this, remove all of this. We're going to set ghost effect to 100, and when I receive victory, we're going to set ghost effect to 100. So now if we go, get all of that, and then we get the heart. So if you get damage, it turns 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 0, like that. So that is looking good. And then now what we're going to do is go into player and then get rid of this show variable player health, because we have a better way to display it now. So now that is looking good. Now what we're going to do is go into the laser and then create the laser. So the laser is pretty cool. So what it is I have yeah, 4 costumes. Normal is, it looks like this, and then 1, 2, 3 has these swirl effects, so it's like, yeah, it makes it look like it's actually shooting the laser. So what you're going to do is when green flag is clicked, you're going to hide. You don't really want this to show, do you? And then we're going to go to variables, get a set. We're going to set shooting laser false, like this. So set it to false, go to control, get a wait until operators less than boss health is less than 1. I mean 100. There you go. So the laser attack is going to be available for the boss when his health is less than 100. So now what you're going to do is actually create the loop so it actually works. Repeat until, and then you're going to go to operators, get an or block, or, and you're going to get a less than and another less than. And then actually what I'm going to do is not do this and actually get a forever loop. Because, yeah, get a motion, get a go to block, go to operators, pick random. I'm gonna do -200 and 200. You can do less or more than that. Now you can go to looks, get a set, which is right here, and then we can set ghost to 75 or whatever you want. This is the preparation to signal the player that there's going to be a laser coming down. If this doesn't exist, basically the laser is just going to show up randomly and hit the player, and then that's just going to be bad. So we need to warn the player that there's going to be a laser. Go to control, get a repeat. I'm going to repeat 7, and then we're going to change ghost effect right here. Change ghost effect by 10, like that. And then we're going to go to control, get a weight. Weight 0.1 is good. You can duplicate that and then make that -10, like that. And then we're going to clear graphics after that. And then for now, what I'm gonna do, I think, is just hide. And then let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. So it warns, and then it warns again because there's no delay between the warns right now. So, okay, let's stick that right there again, and then actually do the shooting. So we're gonna go to variables, get a set shooting laser to true, and then you can drag that right under the clear graphic effects, and then go to control, get a repeat, and you can do repeat 20, like that. And then you're going to go get a wait like 0.05 seconds or so, and then you're gonna do if else, and you can drag that back down there, and then equals costume number equals the last one. It's 4 right there. So you're going to put 4 and switch costume to, so if equals 4, then switch to 1. And you're going to do next costume right here. And then what you're going to do is we're going to go to variables, get a set. We're going to set shooting laser to false. And then we're going to go to control, get a repeat. We're going to repeat 10. We're going to change ghost effect by 10, like that. And that should be all good. Let's stop the project because we want to run this. Yeah, there you go. That looks good. Now, okay, let's try this. We can switch costume to normal right here. Oops. To try that. Yeah, I think I like it without the normal costume, so what I'm gonna do is that. Now, so that is our laser, and it's looking scary. Yeah, so now what we have to do is actually forgot one code. Gonna events, get a when I receive lose, and when I receive victory. We're gonna stop them. So stop other scripts and sprite and stop other scripts and sprite. So that is what you're gonna have to do. And it's gonna be probably hiding. If not, what we can do is hide. There you go. And now what you're gonna do is go to player and actually make it so the player can get hit by the laser. And the laser is going to give tick damage to the player, and it's pretty strong. So basically I'm going to make it so it's almost certain that it'll die when it touches the laser. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this, and then I'm going to get rid of that. Get a forever loop, and forever if touching laser, so right here. And what we're going to make sure is and equals shooting laser is true. So this is to make sure the player doesn't get damaged when the laser is hiding in the background, just not showing. And yeah, we don't want to get damaged by the laser because that's not currently shooting. So that's just to make sure. And then we can change a player health by -1. And then you're going to wait. And I think 0.05 is going to be good enough. So now if we go ahead and try, the laser should be working. So I'm just gonna try to get the boss's health down to 100. So the lasers should start working by then. So there you go. The boss health is 100 and the lasers are starting to shoot. Okay, there you go. So now I'm going to try to get hit by the laser like that, and I instantly melt to death. That is looking good. So the lasers are working really nice. But what I want to do is the lasers to be in front of most of the things. So I'm just going to go to the front layer right here. And then I'm going to go to the back layer right here. These are going to be good. Yeah. So that is basically all for today. And then all we got to do now is just do you lose and you win screens and just start buttons, I guess, because right now you just click the green flag and the game just starts right away. And yeah, I think we want more than that. So yeah, that's looking good. Other tutorials are going to be coming, so I'll see you in the next tutorial. Peace.